Okay, we got the APLOS flashlight here. It's got its own battery in it. You can charge it right through this little plug right here. You want to be careful. Just take the plug out when you charge it and put it in a safe place, because I dropped it earlier and it was hard to find. So anyway, it does snap in there and stay in securely though once you get it in the right spot. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, so much for that. Sitting behind here, I can't see it so well. Anyway, when it gets fully charged, the little light here turns green. I've been using it tonight, and so it's down a little bit. Has multiple modes. This is like the low one. Let's see, and off. Okay. Then we go up one more here, or up another one, and up to one that really burns your eyes. It's also got some other modes. 3 fast clicks here, and then 3 more. You go into SOS. And it's far enough to see for a long ways. This one is 1800 lumens, and it's really bright. I've never seen a small light like this that has this much light. And I always carry one around in my pocket. This is just a little bit longer is all. It's not really any bigger than one I've been carrying, so this is going to be my favorite light from now on. So anyway, very high quality in my opinion. It's a good solid aluminum housing, I guess. You've got to unscrew the back right here and take out this little, well, you can see it down there, a little orange piece of paper on the battery to let the power come in. And then when you first get it over the light, there's going to be a lens cover, plastic there for protection. Just take those off. But anyway, this is the best one I've seen of any kind of lights. Rechargeable and super bright. So it's my new favorite.